Are you looking to maintain your iPhone battery health at 100% for as long as possible? Although it is possible to keep a battery at 100% health indefinitely due to natural weather, there are steps you can take to maximize your battery's lifespan and ensure it stays as healthy as possible for years. Solution 1: enable optimized battery charging. Change routine and only charge your iPhone to 80% until you need to use it. For that, open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Battery Health and Charging. Toggle on Optimized Battery Charging to enable this feature. Solution 2: avoid charging to 100% regularly. Constantly charging your iPhone to 100% can cause the battery to age faster. To preserve battery health, try to keep your iPhone's charge battery between 20 and 80%. Charging it fully from time to time is fine, but consistently keeping it at all full charge will reduce the battery's lifespan. Solution 3: avoid overheating while charging. Using your iPhone for heavy tasks like gaming or video streaming while charging can cause it to overheat. This strain can reduce battery health over time. Try not to use power-hungry apps like games or streaming services while charging. Remove your iPhone from cases while charging if it tends to overheat. Solution 4: avoid extreme temperatures. Your iPhone's battery health can deteriorate quickly in extreme temperatures, especially when exposed to heat. To maintain your battery health, avoid using your iPhone while charging it in hot environments. Keep your iPhone out of direct sunlight for long periods. Do not leave it in a hot car or in areas with high temperatures. Solution: use Apple certified chargers. Non-certified chargers and cables can cause fluctuations in voltage and current that may damage your iPhone's battery. Always use Apple certified chargers and enable to ensure safe and efficient charging. Avoid third-party chargers that may not meet the required safety standards. By following these steps, you should be able to maintain your iPhone battery health as close to 100% as possible. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.